A gate of the Hippargi Barrage constructed across the Krishna River was damaged due to heavy water pressure, resulting in a significant outflow of water. The incident occurred at the 22nd gate of the barrage, located in Jamkhandi Taluk of Bagalkot district. Following the incident, the Tahsildars of Jamkhandi and Rabkabi Banahati, along with the officials from the Irrigation Department, including the Assistant Executive Engineer, visited the site and conducted an inspection. Preparatory work has begun to repair the damaged gate and reinstall the dislodged plate. Officials stated that a large volume of water is currently flowing out through the damaged gate. At the time of the incident, the barrage had a storage capacity of approximately 6 TMC of water. However, since the inflow into the river is presently low, authorities have clarified that there is no threat or inconvenience to the public. Jamkhandi Assistant Commissioner Shweta Bidikar said that the district administration has initiated all necessary measures to fix the plate at the earliest. Senior officials are holding discussions on the technical aspects of the repair, while Rabkabi Banahati Tahsildar Girish continues to monitor the situation on the ground. The Hippargi Barrage is a key irrigation structure in Bagalkot district. The officials have assured that the repair work will be expedited to prevent further loss of water.